Do everything with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. On this episode today, I am partnering up with some other amazing artists, and you can see my paint consistency here. This is 24K, and all of my paints are mixed to this consistency. So my brand of paint today is Bling Acrylics. Most of these are custom mixed colors. However, the white is Titanium White by Amsterdam. Now this wouldn't be Mardi Gras without a little party. What's going on? This is the Feel Good pouring station, painting station. We're gonna have fun. It is Mardi Gras, so we had to have a little bling bling, a little flash, a little bang. A little choo-choo train. Let's get this party started with this wondering ring pour. I hope you're excited because we're gonna have some fun. As we get this party started, go ahead and hit that like button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's paint. Alright, so I'll be the first to admit that this technique is relatively on the easy side, but there are a couple of tips that I wanted to share that I find to be very important in ring pours. And the first and the most important is your consistency. So for me, I like for my paints to be very similar in consistency if possible. So I try to use the same paint brand to avoid them mixing and separating that color and to avoid cells. So difference in the density of your paint is going to cause you to have cells. So you want them to be as similar as possible. Yes, these colors really fit well together. I was a little bit worried that I was going a little too far outside of the round, but now that it is all coming together, I really love these colors. Another tip is patience. So So you can do a ring pour with, you know, a basic cup or the chambered cups that you see a lot of artists using. But it's really important to spin slow and not do anything abrupt if you want to keep your composition and flow going. So for me, I don't do a lot of tilting with my ring pours unless I am trying to get a specific look. So that is just something to definitely look out for and to be cognizant of. And while you're watching this video, feel free to check out my website, www.garrickbrownartstudio.com. I have a lot of awesome pieces up there. Hit me up for a commission. And I am also on Patreon. So if you want to join me in the Patreon world, I would greatly appreciate it. I'm rolling out some really cool things just for my Patreon only members. And you'll get some things from me in the mail and just a lot of good things. You get to know a little bit more about me. So the link is in below, and I have a number of different levels that you can join at. Requires a lot of concentration for me to do ring pours. And let me tell y'all, my back was hurting because I was in this awkward position and I didn't think about that before I started pouring. So it's like, ooh, let me adjust. But look at these colors. I love the end. I kind of ended it with a straight pour, which is going to give me like a little different effect. So hopefully we get like this galaxy going into the whole look once we spin it out. I am using one of my leftover colors here to create a base coat, which will allow the paint to move and not roll over on itself. You see a lot of people doing this. It is the same gold, the 24K. So I want that consistency to be the same so that doesn't create a barrier or any issues with flowing off the sides of my canvas, so that I have to do less work fixing up my sides and my corners and things of that nature. And here I'm just doing a little touch up. I'm using the leftover paint to my advantage and getting this piece all ready for the drying station. And that's where we pray and hope that everything dries perfectly. That 24 karat code is just magical. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please press the like button, the subscribe button, check out all the other amazing artists, and remember, treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. Do everything with love. I will see you in another video very, very soon. Peace.